2, 1, go!
It's match 33, and let's see what we've got. We've got robots moving across the line, 6506. They're headed across center field, but they're coming to a stop. Midfield over on the blue line side, I see some movement. Looks like 4669 was trying to line up on that gear. They didn't quite get it delivered, but the pilot has a gear in place. That's 55-55. All three robots moving on both sides, plus a rotor moving now on both sides. Again, we're tied up neck and neck. It's a classic start. We're going to be seeing a lot of this today as our robots all begin moving in autonomous mode, and they get those first gears running right away. But now we've got the second rotor moving on the Blue Alliance airship. That means 2 successful gear deliveries have been made on the Blue Alliance side. Already we got 2 Blue Alliance robots there moving over to their retrieval zone behind that red airship. And on that red airship, there's the second rotor. We're still tied up neck and neck, 95-95. These robots are move for move, matching each other. It's going to be an evenly paced match. We'll just have to see who can pull ahead in the end. 17-26. The Nerds, they had one in their machine. They lined it up, but didn't quite make it onto the airship. These gears are a tricky piece to handle, but they've picked up one more. The Nerds have it in their machine, and they're lining up. They're going to give it another go. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, 14-58, they've got a gear delivered to the red airship. And they're already making good progress to getting that third rotor moving. Over on the blue, they've got one more gear, 3 more needed in order to get their third rotor moving. With just under a minute left to play, we're still very close, and it's anybody's game. 17-26, the Nerds, they're pulling it up. Their pilot pulls it into the airship with success, and they've loaded another gear onto the gear train. Just over 30 seconds remaining. It's going to come down to these robots climbing onto the airships. More than likely, if anyone can do it in this final 30 seconds, it's time to board. There's another gear placed on the airship for the Blue Alliance and another placed on the red, but it's still only 2 propellers each. It's going to come down to these climbs. We have all 3 robots on all 3 alliances, all 2 alliances getting ready to climb. I see 1 blue robot ready for takeoff, 1 red robot ready for takeoff. There's 8 seconds left. We got 2 more robots. Who can do it? It's going to be a very close tie. 1:14:58 is ready for takeoff. That might make the difference as we hit the end of time in match number 33. And these airships flying across the finish line. Looks like the red team pulled ahead in the end with a final score of 159. That robot climbing aboard and becoming ready for takeoff made the difference.